A very good morning, class 8. Today we'll start a new topic, that is subject-verb agreement. As you know, in all the sentences we frame has a subject. For example, the boy is playing football. So this is a subject, this is helping verb and the main verb. So हर sentence में आपको subject मिलेगा और verb मिलेगा, ठीक है? Now what is subject-verb agreement? Subject of the sentence and verb of the sentence must be in agreement in number, ठीक है? अगर आप for example the boy is playing football, आपको जो verb use करना है उसमें subject के according होना चाहिए. It should be in the agreement with the subject. Okay? आप यहाँ पे the boy are नहीं use कर सकते या the boy have नहीं use कर सकते. You have to use singular with singular verb. Okay? The boys are playing football. Means these verbs are in agreement with the subject. ये जो verbs हमारी जा रही हैं वो subject के according भी जा रही हैं. This is what our today's topic is, subject verb agreement. Now there are some rules for this topic. These are two or more singular subjects joined by and. Take a plural verb. अगर आपके पास दो और more singular subjects हैं, यानी कि दो या दो से ज़्यादा subjects हैं और हम उनको and से join करते हैं, तो उनके साथ plural verb use करते हैं. For example, Julia, Anna and Rachna. So आपके जो ये subjects हैं more than two हैं, and we have joined them with and, तो आप इसके साथ plural verb लगाएंगे. Okay? Julia, Anna and Rachna are best friends. Now the second one. Two singular nouns referring to the same person or same thing take a singular verb. जब हम एक ही जने की, एक ही person की या एक ही thing की बात कर रहे हैं, उसके reference में जो दो noun use करते हैं हम, उसके साथ हम singular verb use करते हैं. Now to make it more clearer, let's take the example, the honest and dedicated Gandhiji. So here the person is only one. We are talking about Gandhiji. Okay, this honest and dedicated Gandhiji. So यहाँ पे आपका singular verb लगेगा is missed by all. Is that clear? One person है, we are talking about the same person over here. They are not more than one person. Therefore, we will take singular verb. Now coming to the next part. More than one singular verb joined by or nor, neither nor take a singular verb. अगर आप इन सब से join करते हैं neither nor, either or, ठीक है, वहाँ पे भी आप singular verb use करते हैं. For example, neither Varun nor Roman was present. So here we have taken a singular verb over here. Was is a singular verb. No passenger or baggage was left unchecked. So with no and or we have used singular verb. Means no passenger or baggage was left unchecked. So you have to see if we are taking these either or, neither nor, or we will use singular verb. Okay. Now moving on to the next part, the use of each, every before the subject takes singular verb. अगर आप each या every का use करते हैं, ठीक है, subject से पहले, तब भी आप singular verb use करेंगे. For example, each day is precious. Every man and woman brings. So अब जैसे आप he, she, it के साथ आप क्या use करते हैं? S और es, verb के साथ s और es. So here is the same thing. Brings joy to humanity. Now the last one. Two subjects expressing a singular idea take a singular verb. For example, bread and butter is his chapel diet. Means आपको जो singular idea दे रहा है, या जैसे आप bread and butter, आपका एक चैपल डाइट है, ठीक है, आपको ये दोनों एक्सप्रेस करनी है अ सिंगुलर आइडिया। और यू कैन सी आई टेक ब्रेड एंड बटर इन माई ब्रेकफास्ट। तो आपका ये सिंगुलर आइडिया दे रहे हैं, तब भी हम सिंगुलर वर्ब का यूज करते हैं। दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। You do BPC exercises related to subject-verb agreement. I'll come up with the next part in the next tutorial. Thank you. Have a nice day.